Well, this morning, a multi-billion-dollar bankruptcy settlement with the maker of OxyContin will be challenged at the Supreme Court. The question, can the wealthy family that owns Purdue Pharma evade lawsuits over the powerful pain medicine linked to hundreds of thousands of deaths? Jan Crawford is at the High Court with more. Jan, good morning.
Well, good morning. So, the outcome of this case could have huge implications for how corporations use bankruptcy to protect owners from lawsuits. One grieving mother in this case calls that billionaire's justice and is pleading with the Supreme Court to reject it.
They need to be held accountable. What they've done is really wrong. It's totally wrong.
Ellen Isaac says her son Ryan was a happy teenager who loved baseball and was a master carpenter until he fell and hurt his back.
And the doctor immediately said, oh, we've got this new medication. It's non-addictive.
The medication was OxyContin, and it sent Ryan into a lifelong pattern of addiction until a fatal overdose when he was 33.
Do you blame the Sacklers for Ryan's death?
I do. I absolutely do.
She wants the Supreme Court to let her file a civil lawsuit. And along with the Justice Department, she is urging the court to reject a 2021 bankruptcy plan that required Purdue Pharma to pay up to $6 billion to help combat the opioid crisis, including $750 million to victims and their families, in exchange for shielding Purdue's owner, the Sackler family, from thousands of lawsuits, even though they are not bankrupt themselves. The case has divided those families impacted. Most want the court to uphold the bankruptcy plan, writing in court papers it is the only viable mechanism for affording victims the aid they need and need now. Other large organizations that have reached similar bankruptcy agreements to end lawsuits, including the Boy Scouts of America and the Catholic Church, filed briefs supporting the Purdue deal. But Isaacs says justice is about more than money.
Give me the ability to get a jury by trial of my peers and other people to do likewise the same. Closing that door, it's not going to help anybody with healing. They're always going to feel like there was never any accountability.
Now, hundreds of people on both sides are expected here in front of the court today. Many of them have been waiting around the corner here overnight, trying to get a seat inside the courtroom for those arguments. Most have suffered a terrible loss, a loved one they will never get back, no matter what the court decides. Nate?
Yeah, that's tragic. Jan, thank you.